Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see message requests on Instagram. We start by entering Instagram. Next, we click on the messages icon. Here we will find the request option on which we will click. Finally, we will be able to see the different message requests that we have in case we have received any. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.